Hi there, my name's Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and this week's question is, how does a microphone like this work? Well, this question was asked on an old episode relating to how keyboards work, and I like to ask, more precise questions, like, how is it possible that this thing can actually convert my analog voice into an electrical signal that you can hear later? Well, because sound itself is a wave vibration that we interpret in our ears and is composed of wave lengths, pitches, duration, and volume, as well as other factors, it is possible to use something known as a transducer that uses the relationship between electricity and magnetism to record sound. If you've ever seen a speaker, you will know that it is comprised of a diaphragm, a magnet, and a coil, exactly like a dynamic microphone, like this. And we use the diaphragm to force a positional change of the coil within the magnetic field, and we calculate only the difference in electrical potential as a result of the difference in position relating to the magnet. Because of this, if we collect enough information, enough bits of information in a short amount of time, we can actually reproduce sound pretty damn close to the original sound that was transmitted to our ears. As a result, we are able to record sound using a microphone because of magnetism, electricity, and mechanical force applied onto the coil and the magnet itself. Simple. So I hope you understand how that works now. Not as complicated as a keyboard though. So like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, to see show notes on this episode, past others, see other ways of subscribing, and of course, use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games such as Darksiders 3, go to twitch.tv/ZEDAXIS1981, link down below, and I play on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday starting at midnight Eastern Time. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.